Okay, so now we're going to go into area and perimeter of composite plane figures, meaning when you combine different figures together. Let's say you combine a square with a rhombus, right, or square with a trapezium, right? So first we need to learn how to convert from unit to unit. Now, hopefully you all are aware, 1 meter is 100 cm. Okay, so how do I convert 14 meter square to cm square? 14 meter square, I can write it as 14 times 100 cm, or rather, if I follow the textbook, 1 meter times 1 meter. Okay, when we convert it, 100 cm times 100 cm. Right, then from here, you use your calculator, you get 140,000 cm square. Okay, so quite easy. Okay, part B. From here, right, since we know that 1 meter is 100 cm, we can also find out that 1 cm is 1 over 100 meter. Alright, so from here, 500 cm, 5800 cm square equals to 5800 times 1 cm times 1 cm. Okay, and we know that 1 cm is 1 over 100 meter, right? So 5800 times 1 over 100 meter times 1 over 100 meter. Okay, so divide, I will get 0.58 meter square. Okay, so it becomes a lot smaller. Right, so hopefully it's okay. You can give the try yourself 10 a try. Answer is there. Okay, let's go on to example 11. Okay, a semicircle CDE is mounted on a parallelogram. All lengths are measured in centimeters, so find the perimeter of the figure. Okay, so before we do this one, we know that this is a parallelogram, right? So this length and this length are the same, 13, 13, 24. Now the only issue we have here would be this, right? This circumference, okay? Now, I'm not sure if you are familiar, but area, the formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r, right? But this is only half a circle. Okay, so circumference of semicircle is half of 2 pi r, which will give me pi r, right? So if I want to find the perimeter of this figure, I will have 13 plus 24 plus 13 plus pi r. So I will get, I know my r is actually 12 because this whole length is the same as 24, right? Okay, so radius is half of the circle, so radius is 12, right? So 13, okay, I'm just going to sub it here. 12 times pi. Okay, so I will get sum all together. This will be 26, 50 plus 12 pi. Okay, so in this case, this pi becomes like an algebraic term, right? But actually, the value of this pi is 3.142, something. Okay, so this one is not like algebraic term. It's just a symbol that represents 3.142, right? The true value of pi. Okay, but they say leave your answers in terms of pi, so that means we don't need to sub in 3.142. This is our answer. Okay, area of figure. Again, area of circle is pi r square. But again, this is a semicircle, so area of semicircle half times pi r square. Okay, so this is pi. Okay, so how to find area of figure? Okay, so if I want to find the area of parallelogram, right, is this length 24 times the perpendicular height. So 24 times 12 plus, okay, half times pi times 12 square, right? So if I were to use my calculator, okay, 24 times 12, 288 plus, okay, so 12 square is 144, so half times 144 pi. Alright, so it's 288 plus 72 pi, and this will be your answer. Right, cm square. Okay, alright, so hopefully this helps. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is one we have not covered in class. Okay, now the figure shows a quadrilateral ABCD. All lengths are measured in meters. Okay, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in meters square. Okay, so you notice that there are two shapes here. One is a triangle, the other is a trapezium, and this is the two parallel lengths, right? So for example, if I want to find the area of trapezium, okay, we will have half 0.4 plus 0.6, okay, times 0.5. Okay, then we have plus area of triangle half times 0.3 times 0.6. Okay, not enough space here. Okay, I'm going to put half plus times 0.3 times 0.6. Okay, so on top I have half plus 1 times 0.5 plus this one will be half with 0.3, so 0.09. Alright, okay, and this one half of 0.5 is 0.25. Add together you will get 0.34 meter square. Okay, don't get tricked by the decimal, right? If not everything, just write out the working, but use your calculator to calculate. ABCD. BCD. Okay. Now they want us to convert the area of ABCD in cm square. Okay, so area of ABCD, okay, in cm square. So I have 0.34 meter square, right? So it's 0.34 times 1 meter times 1 meter. And then we know that our 1 meter is 100 cm times 100 cm. Okay, so use your calculator, you should get 3,400 cm square. Okay, alright, hope this helps. Let's move on.